channel, and today I'm so excited because I've begged my brother to get this for me, and today I'm doing it. It is Barbie, but Barbie can change her hair. Warm water, this color. Cold water, this color. And she's already in the cold water. That is very weird. I've seen Cookie Swirl C do this before. Well, I'm a pro because I've never done this. Like, opened it like what I done right now. Smiley face. I don't know why I said smiley face. Okay. Be careful, guys. Always ask an adult. So I've got this one, and this one to do for her hair. I'm so excited to do this because this is my first time. My first ever time. Gonna cut her leg off. I'm joking, I would never do that. Well, brush. I wouldn't brush her hair right now because so these are the hair bands for her hair. If you want to do her hair. I'm not really good at doing hairstyles. These are hair clips. Okay. Whoa. It just shot right out. We've got her out, guys. What do I mean by guys? And she looks fabulous. Let's try putting her hair in like a really nice way. Okay, so I'm gonna have to try to, I don't need to brush her hair because look at her hair. It's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna do the lines. Oh, and they come as stars. Wow. So I'm gonna put her hair down because it looks very, very nice, but still I've got to wait. I've got to make everything look good. I think I've got to brush her hair then, obviously. I don't know if this Barbie can stand, but you can get another version because Cookie Swirl C had both of the versions. I've asked an adult to put hot water in so I don't burn my hands, and I'm gonna put this on really lightly. This needs to work. Guys, it's color changing. It's trying to change into a light color. Whoa, guys! It looks like a whole pot. This style is so cool because her hair actually color changes, and there's more to do because if you put it in hot and cold, it goes to dots. As I've seen on the instructions, and she comes with this cool dress, and you can see her hair's color changing right now, right here and here. This is a really cool toy, and when you spray her hair, it's very cool. And in the future, I might get more. Don't forget to hit that notification button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye, guys!